What's up guys, how are you? We are listing top 4 best solar security cameras for 2025 in this video. For more information, product details, and the latest prices, check out the links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Let's get started. Number 4. AOSUS Solar Security Cameras. AOSUS Security Cameras Outdoor Wireless, for CamKit, no subscription, solar-powered, home security cameras system with 360 degrees pan and tilt, auto tracking, 2K color night vision. No monthly fee with Homebase, all recordings will be encrypted and stored in Homebase without subscription or hidden cost. 32 GB of local storage provides up to 2 months of video loop recording. Even if the cameras are damaged or lost, the data remains safe. Homebase also provides instant notifications and stable live streaming. New experience from AOSU: 1. Cross-camera tracking automatically relate videos of same-period events for easy reviews. 2. Watch live streams in 4 areas at the same time on one screen to implement a wireless security camera system. 3. Control the working status of multiple outdoor security cameras with one click, not just turning them on or off. Solar-powered, once install and works forever. Built-in solar panel keeps the battery charged, 3 hours of sunlight daily keeps it running, even on rainy and cloud days. Install in any location, just drill 3 holes, 5 minutes. 360 degrees coverage and auto motion tracking, pan and tilt outdoor camera wireless provides all-around security. No blind spots. Activities within the target area will be automatically tracked and recorded by the camera. 2K resolution, day and night clarity, capture every event that occurs around your home in 3MP resolution. More than just daytime, for LED lights increase the light source by 100% compared to 2 LED lights, allowing more to be seen for excellent color night vision. Please check the link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 3. Sonado 2K Cameras. These solar camera security outdoor are equipped with 2K resolution. The max resolution is 2304 x 1296p. In cases of limited network connectivity, it can switch to a reliable 768 x 432p SD resolution. This security camera's wireless offers multiple night vision mode, full color night, intelligent light and auto infrared mode. Please note that this outdoor camera only support 2.4G Wi-Fi. 5G Wi-Fi is not supported. No motion tracking. No 24/7 continuous recording. The outdoor camera wireless can be charged by solar power with provided solar panel, eliminating the need for plugs. In bad weather or low light conditions, the backup battery ensures uninterrupted monitoring. For installation, use the provided hole positioning stickers to mark and drill holes, secure the base with screws, and plug in the camera to complete the setup. Do not drill into the camera itself. The home security cameras with an IP65 waterproof rating, it is designed to withstand rain, snow, and harsh weather conditions. Moreover, our camera has 360p TZ, pan tilt zoom, function, allowing you to remotely pan, tilt, and zoom the camera lens to get a comprehensive view of your surroundings. This level of control provides you with the flexibility to monitor your home from any angle, at any time, making it a powerful tool for safeguarding your home. The cameras for home security are equipped with advanced PR and AI detection technology. When the camera detects human, you can engage in real-time two-way audio communication with the person on the camera's end using your mobile device. This feature allows you to not only monitor but also interact with visitors or potential intruders. PR detection sensitivity can be adjusted in 3 levels, range from 16 to 29 feet. Sonado security cameras wireless outdoor supports both SD card and cloud storage. The micro SD card storage allows you to access the recordings on PC without internet connection. Opt for cloud storage to securely store your footage online, which can last for as long as 30 days. Additionally, it integrates with Alexa. Please check the link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 2. Litimol Solar Security Cameras. Protect your home with this smart solar security camera. It gives you a 2K HD view and covers a full 360 degrees area. The camera turns side to side and up and down, so you don't miss a thing. Even at night, it shows clear color video up to 33 feet with its built-in light. No wires needed, it runs on a solar panel with a strong 5,200 mAh battery. Once charged, it can last for months. It also works in rain, wind, or heat thanks to its IP65 rating. You can place it outside all year long. The camera uses a power sensor to catch real motion, not trees or wind. You get alerts right to your phone. With two-way audio, you can talk to visitors or scare off strangers. You can also upgrade to AI features that know the difference between people, cars, and pets. If someone walks near, the spotlight and siren turn on to scare them away. You can save videos to a memory card or use the cloud. Either way, you never miss a moment. Setup is fast and easy. Just mount it to a wall or roof in 5 minutes. It's perfect for yards, driveways, and garages. This is smart, safe, and stress-free home protection. Please check the link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 1. wifi Security SoloCam S340. The wifi Security SoloCam S340 is a powerful, wireless outdoor camera built for total home protection. With dual camera clarity, it captures events in ultra-clear 3K resolution and offers up to 8 times zoom, so you can clearly see faces, license plates, or packages even from 50 feet away. When using AI tracking or dual views, it adjusts to 2K resolution, still crisp and reliable. Thanks to its removable solar panel, the S340 offers true set-it-and-forget-it convenience. Once installed, it runs indefinitely with sunlight, giving you round-the-clock surveillance without battery anxiety. Designed for 360 degrees pan and tilt, this camera eliminates blind spots. Whether it's your porch, backyard, or driveway, the SoloCam S340 ensures complete coverage. Its compact, wire-free design makes installation a breeze, just 5 minutes and you're done. The best part? There's no monthly fee. With local storage and Homebase S380 compatibility, you get smart, secure footage access with no hidden costs. For anyone seeking hassle-free, full-view home security, the SoloCam S340 delivers peace of mind, simple, smart, and subscription-free. Please check the link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com.